Hello everyone, welcome to EduTap and welcome to this video. So today in this video I'm going to talk about pattern of NABARD ready examination. So if you are someone who is targeting NABARD 2024 and you wanted to know कि exact pattern क्या है NABARD ready का, for that I have come up with this video. But before starting this video, I have a request. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, as well as if you want to download the new informative PDF regarding NABARD and NABARD examination, you can join us on our Telegram channel. So with that, let's start this video. So students, in NABARD, there are three phases. Okay, we have phase 1, that is preliminary. After clearing your phase 1, you are called for phase 2, that is mains, and then after clearing your mains, that is phase 2, you are called for phase 3, that is generally called as interview. Now these are the three phases of NABARD. Now let us see ki what all comes under in phase 1, what is the pattern of phase 2, then how you clear phase 1, and then how you are called for phase 2, then phase 2 का pattern क्या रहता है, and how you are called for interview. Clear? So students, if we talk about phase 1, so this is the pattern of phase 1. यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो there are 8 subjects that are being tested by NABARD. Okay, and out of these 8 subjects, the 5 subjects are non-merit subject. Means here you only have to clear the minimum cutoff. ठीक है, उसका क्या मतलब है कि अगर reasoning 20 marks total है, तो अगर आपकी minimum cutoff 3 है, then you only require 3 marks in reasoning to clear the cutoff of reasoning. Same goes with English, computer knowledge, quants and decision making. So ये हो गए आपके non-merit subject. Next, GAESI ERD, they are merit subject, which means here you not only have to clear the minimum cutoff but also overall cutoff. Clear? Which means minimum cutoff of GA should be cleared, ESI and ERD should be cleared, and apart from that you should clear an overall cutoff of GA, ESI and ERD. This is of 100 marks, right? You can see 40, 40, 20. So out of 100 marks, if minimum cutoff is 41, then you should clear this minimum cutoff as well as from GA, ESI and ERD number. Clear? तो ये क्लियर हो गया कि नॉन मेरिट सेक्शन क्या है, मेरिट सेक्शन क्या है. सो नॉन मेरिट सेक्शन में बेसिकली रीजनिंग, इंग्लिश, कंप्यूटर, क्वांट्स और डिसीजन मेकिंग आता है. वहाँ पे आपको सिर्फ मिनिमम कट ऑफ क्लियर करनी है. आपने अगर इनमें मिनिमम कट ऑफ क्लियर कर ली, देन आपके जो नंबर है GAESI एंड ERD के, दे विल बी इवैल्यूएटेड. वहाँ पे देखा जाएगा कि वेदर यू हैव क्लियर द मिनिमम कट ऑफ. इफ़ यू हैव क्लियर द मिनिमम कट ऑफ, देन आपका GAESI एंड ERD का ओवरऑल कट ऑफ देखा जाएगा. क्लियर? सो व्हेन यू हैव क्लियर दिस ओवरऑल कट ऑफ, देन यू विल बी कॉल्ड फॉर phase 2, that is mains. Clear? Talking about total number of questions, so total you have 200 questions of 200 marks. Version of examination can be Hindi or English, except English language का जो टेस्ट है आप हिंदी में भी इसको दे सकते हो. Then total आपको 120 minutes मिलेंगे, that is 2 hours for solving all these sections. Now you can switch between the section. Students often ask this thing also कि can we switch between the section? Yes, you can switch in between the section. Clear? So this is about your phase 1. Now let's move on to the phase 2, that is mains. Now students, in NABARD there are 2 type of post. Basically journalist post, for which you just require a bachelor degree in any subject from recognized university, and there is a specialist post for which you require a special degree. Like for example, if I want to apply for agriculture specialist post, so I should have bachelor's in agriculture. ठीक है. सो इन दोनों का ही पैटर्न देखेंगे. बेसिकली पैटर्न सेम ही होता है. द डिफरेंस इज दैट जो पेपर 2 है वहाँ पे डिफरेंस है. यू कैन सी पेपर 2 जो जर्नलिस्ट का है वहाँ पे ESI एंड ERD से क्वेश्चंस आते हैं. बाकी जबकि आपका जो स्पेशलिस्ट है वहाँ पे स्ट्रीम स्पेसिफिक पेपर पूछा जाता है. रेस्ट एवरीथिंग इज सेम. ठीक है. विद दैट इन माइंड, लेट्स सी कि एग्जैक्ट पैटर्न क्या है. सो हियर इन मेंस 2 पेपर विल बी देयर. So paper 1 is general English, paper 2 is of ESI and ERD if we talk about journalist. Clear? So here in general English there will be online descriptive, means you have to write descriptive answer, not write, basically type. ठीक है, you can see you will be provided a system in the examination center, you will be provided a keyboard and you will have to type the answer. ठीक है, यहाँ पे आपको पेन पेपर नहीं मिलेगा, you will have to type the answer. So there will be 3 questions from English which will be based on essay, report, letter writing, pressy writing and so on. ठीक है, these any 3 questions will be asked and you will have to type the answer of these 3 questions. So total marks here is 100 marks and time duration is 90 minutes. Within this 90 minutes you have to complete these 3 questions. Clear? Now after typing your paper 1, there will be a break and you will be after break you will be given your paper 2 of ESI and ARD. Then in this paper you will get both kind of questions, objective as well as subjective. ठीक है, there will be 30 objective question of 50 marks and 6 descriptive type question, out of which you have to do 4 of 50 marks. So total 100 marks हो जाएगा paper 2 का भी, right? Now let me talk about मार्क्स डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन कैसा है. सो आउट ऑफ योर ऑब्जेक्टिव की अगर बात करें तो 30 क्वेश्चंस में से 20 क्वेश्चन विल बी ऑफ 2 मार्कर एंड 10 क्वेश्चन विल बी ऑफ 1 मार्कर. दैट कंप्लीट्स योर 50 मार्क्स. क्लियर. इफ वी टॉक अबाउट डिस्क्रिप्टिव टाइप, डिस्क्रिप्टिव में अगेन क्वेश्चन विल बी ऑफ सब्जेक्टिव टाइप. मीन्स आपको क्वेश्चन दिया होगा, यू विल हैव टू टाइप द आंसर. ठीक है, यू हैव टू टाइप द डिस्क्रिप्टिव आंसर. सो अगेन फॉर डिस्क्रिप्टिव ऑल्सो देर आर 6 क्वेश्चन out of which you will have to do 4. ठीक है, there will be 2 compulsory question and there will be 2 optional question. Means 6 में से you will have to do only 4. ठीक है, 4 में से आपको 2 compulsory होंगे और 2 के लिए option दिए जाएंगे, तो उसमें से you have to do. Clear? So 2 question will be of 15 markers, that is 30 marks, and 2 will be of 10 marker comprising 20 marks and completing your 50 marks of descriptive. Clear? So that is the pattern of your descriptive. Now here for objective you will be given 30 minutes to solve this 30 objective, and for descriptive 90 minutes will be given to solve this descriptive part. Clear? So after this your paper will be submitted and your marks will be calculated for mains, and according to your marks which you have scored in your mains, accordingly you will be called for the interview. Clear? Now there is one more thing that students often ask is there any negative marking? So yes, there is a negative marking. 1/4 of marks is deducted from overall score. Like for example, if you have attempted 1 marker question wrong, then 0.25 marks will be deducted from your overall score. And if you have attempted 2 marker question wrong, then 0.5 marks will be deducted from your overall score. Clear? So yes, there is a negative marking. So you should be thoughtful while मार्किंग योर आंसर. ठीक है, आपको करेक्ट आंसर ही मार्क करना होगा, क्योंकि नेगेटिव मार्क विल कॉस्ट यू. ठीक है, नेगेटिव मार्क्स जो होंगे वो आपके ओवरऑल स्कोर पे बहुत ज़्यादा इम्पैक्ट कर सकते हैं. सो यू हैव टू बी लिटिल बिट केयरफुल वाइल आंसरिंग योर क्वेश्चन. चलो, विद दैट लेट्स मूव अहेड टू नेक्स्ट. So after clearing your mains, you will be called for interview, and interview is of 50 marker. Okay, so the panel that is in front of you will give you marks according to your personality, according to your performance in interview. So here out of 50 marks you will be given the marks. Okay, ठीक है, panel will give you the marks. Now if we talk about how the overall selection will be decided, so that will be decided from the score of your phase 2 as well as interview. So आपका phase 2 और interview का score will be calculated, it will be summed up, and then your overall score will be made, and accordingly योर ओवरऑल सिलेक्शन विल बी डिसाइडेड. ठीक है, आपका जो ओवरऑल स्कोर होगा वही आपका सिलेक्शन डिसाइड करेगा ऑफ फेज 2 एंड इंटरव्यू का. नाउ इंटरव्यू इज नॉट इन योर हैंड. ठीक है, पैनल के ऊपर है, आपके उस टाइम के ऊपर है, टाइम पीरियड के ऊपर है, वो आपकी परफॉर्मेंस पे बेस्ड है, पर्सनैलिटी आपने जैसे वहाँ पे परफॉर्म किया वो आपके हाथ पे बिल्कुल नहीं है. पैनल विल गिव यू द मार्क, बट फेज 2 इज इन योर हैंड. सो यू हैव टू फोकस मोर ऑन फेज 2 सो दैट इफ थोड़ा सा अप्स एंड डाउन इज देयर इन इंटरव्यू, यू कैन कंपनसेट हियर दैट विद योर फेज 2 स्कोर. Clear? So that is how you have to target your overall score. ठीक है, फेज 2 में अच्छे से मेहनत करो, फेज 2 में मैक्सिमम स्कोर करो, एंड इंटरव्यू में अकॉर्डिंगली पैनल विल गिव यू द मार्क्स एंड यू विल बी सेलेक्टेड फॉर NABARD grade A ऑफिसर. Clear? Chalo. So that was all regarding pattern. I hope you have enjoyed. Before ending, I have announcement that we have 2 kind of course, that is gold course and silver course. ठीक है, so if you want to prepare with us, so in gold course we provide the material for phase 1, phase 2 as well as interview. Okay, in silver course material for phase 2 and interview is provided. Clear? So you can get all the compiled and curated content at a place with these courses, and you can prepare with us. So with that I will end this video. I hope you have enjoyed. Thank you so much.